little pumpkin. I am Ava. As you know, I am a voice behind Ophelia's videos. I have a message for you. It's from Ophelia. She says, "Good morning to everyone." In this video, she is coloring the small letter H. How carefully and beautifully she is coloring the shoes with brown color. To make sure strokes don't go outside the boundaries, she colors close to boundary first with small paintbrush. Can you guess, what is she coloring now? And what is its color? Yay! You are amazing! She is coloring running shorts. Those are light green in color. I love watching Ophelia doing this. I just wonder, what would she color next? Can you guess? She is coloring the running shirt. Do you know this color's name? Yay! You are correct again. It's light yellow color. She is coloring the running shirt with small size paintbrush because its size is small. This body part is called hand. It's so fascinating, isn't it? She is coloring the hands with skin color. Ophelia has picked light brown color to paint the hands. This is awesome! I am so excited to see all this. She is coloring the legs now. How much fun is this to see her doing this together? Do you all know that Ophelia is also great in solving mazes? You can watch her mazes videos on the channel. Can you tell me, what is she coloring now? She is coloring hair. They are black. This body part is called the face. Look how good she is with paintbrush selection. Go, baby girl! Yay! She is coloring the small letter H. Do you know what small letter H stands for? Huh? You're correct. H as in healthy. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit subscribe if you appreciate her work. See you next time.